Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. We want to compare these three gadgets together and to see the differences before you buy any of these devices. Xiaomi Poco F8 Pro, Xiaomi Redmi Turbo 5, Xiaomi Redmi Turbo 5 Max. Now the Xiaomi Redmi Turbo 5 is presumed to be the Poco X8 Pro. Normally that's what it's meant to be, Poco X8 Pro, while the Xiaomi Redmi Turbo 5 Max is meant to be the Poco F8. But this year I don't really know what happened to them. They are changing everything. So the Xiaomi Redmi Turbo 5 is going to be the Poco X8 Pro. Then the Xiaomi Redmi Turbo 5 Max will be the Poco X8 Pro Max. From all indication, that's what is going to happen. But that's not what captivated my mind here. As I consider or compare Xiaomi Poco F8 Pro and Xiaomi Redmi Turbo 5, I can see the same device here. Can you see the information here? Look at the sizes, the same thing. Can you see the dimension here? The dimension is the same. So it's just like Poco F8 Pro has been repackaged. Can you see it? Poco F8 Pro has been repackaged as Redmi Turbo 5 Pro here. If you can see this, consider this. Then let's focus on these two first. It is the weight now that differs based on the battery size. Look at the build quality. Are you following? Aluminium frame, glass back, the same thing. Then for the SIM, this is only the differences here. Poco F8 Pro has eSIM support, while the Redmi Turbo 5 Pro doesn't have eSIM support. I think that's the only differences. As I compare these two, in fact, let me tell you the fact, the only differences between these two devices, Poco F8 Pro and Xiaomi Redmi Turbo 5, number one is the eSIM support in the Pro. That's Poco F8 Pro. Then number two, there's a differences in the resolution. Okay. Then the screen size the same. Are you seeing this? Then the chipset, that's number two differences. Chipset here, one has the Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset, while this one has MediaTek Dimensity 8500 Ultra. This is the second differences. Then the third difference is the camera setup, and the only difference is the removal of this one. Following, they removed this 50 MP camera and then left with these two, and they gave it to this. Following, so you can see that the two devices are the same. Now check differences. Battery size, the Redmi Turbo 5, can you see 7560, and this is 6210 watt. They both support the same charger, 100 watt charger. And the price here, compare the price now, 240 euro, while this one is what, 499, which is 500 euro, almost times two of this device. Now check the fingerprint. This is ultrasonic, this is optical. These are the only differences. So if you are on a budget, I don't think you need to rush this device, maybe by buying Poco F8 Pro. Redmi Turbo 5, which is going to be Poco X8 Pro, I think is an option considering the price. This device doubles this device price. Poco F8 Pro is twice the price of Redmi Turbo 5. So now this is the interesting part. Redmi Turbo 5 Max, look at the spec. The screen size is greater than that of Poco F8 Pro. Okay, protection the same thing. Nano SIM here, that is eSIM here, there's no eSIM here. Are you getting the differences? Now, if you observe also this protection, they are the same. Screen AMOLED, but this is 6.83 inches. Is 6.59 inches. I following. Then the resolution is greater here. If you compare the resolutions, greater. Then the chipset is MediaTek Dimensity 9500S. Compared to this, there is no much differences. Sincerely, if I were you, if you check the clock speed here, you see that there is no much differences between the Snapdragon and this. So with these, I think this is a good option if we consider the price in the end. Then here they just remove one camera, a 50MP camera here, that's the telephoto camera. They removed it, and then video processing power 8K, this 4K and this 4K, which you can ignore. Of course, front facing camera 20 20 20. Are you seeing this? 20 20 20, the same camera being used here. Can you see this? You can see how they are recycling their devices. And then for Bluetooth version, the same thing. Wi-Fi, the same thing. Okay, and then Type-C support, the same thing. Fingerprint for Turbo 5 Pro Max. If you are seeing this, you see it's the same with Poco F8 Pro. It's the same. Then the battery 9000 and this 6200. I think for Poco X8 Pro Max, okay, I think the battery might be within, they will reduce this battery size, maybe 7500 milliampere. I think that's what's going to happen. But check the price again. Can you see the price? 260, 240, 500. Can you see the price? So if I were you, I'll consider this option. I think the best buy here, my number one pick here, will be the Xiaomi Redmi Turbo 5 Max, then followed by Poco F8 Pro, then Redmi Turbo 5. And if you look at this Redmi Turbo 5 and Xiaomi Redmi Turbo 5 Max, if you compare to F7, there is another tug of war here. So this is just my quick review between these three devices. Which one do you think is the best buy here? Drop your opinion in the comment section down below.